Alright world, I got no idea how much battery life we got left here, but what's up?
That must be comfortable, huh?
It's a little hot.
Yeah.
That's funny. I'd rather be hot than I don't know. I feel like asphalt burns at like 30 miles an hour is probably a hotter feeling, hotter sensation than a little bit of sweat, you know. But I just got a haircut. I always got to take a freaking shower after I get a haircut anyway, so I don't mind working up a sweat. What's gonna be dumb is working up a sweat, going home, showering because I'm gross, doing all the yard work and shit that I want to do today, and getting schwitzy again, you know, and then take another shower, and then we're having people over tonight for a fire pit, because, you know, that's what you do when it's 90 degrees out, is you wait for the sun to go down so that you can stand around a fire. No, I'm just kidding. I'm breaking balls on the idea of it, but I do love having me some fire pits. Got to drop off these donuts at my parents' though first, you know. Take the cafe racer to the donut shop. All the old guys want to talk to you about it. Love it. I'm going to start going to more donut shops, I guess. I guess that's what I have to do. All I want is some friends. I don't know if I ever told the vlog about when oh yeah, I did probably. Maybe, I don't know if I made it in a video, but I was sitting having a sandwich over at Nardelli's, which is one of the well, I think they are still probably the best grinder shop in Connecticut or something like that. And some guy came off the road, pulled his car right up next to my bike. So you know, when you don't know what that kind of guy is going to be, if he's going to just be like a sketchball weirdo or whatever, or a guy worth talking to for 10 minutes, I walked over with my helmet on already and all that. And but he was a pretty cool dude. He ended up having a Norton shirt on, which was kind of neat. I think his name was Larry. When I asked him for his name and number when we were, well, he wanted me to take his number down, so I did. He invited me to a party of eclectic individuals that all like motorcycles. Said I had an old soul for being my age and having the bike that I do. And I thought that was nice of him. But I never called him. His party came and went. I couldn't make his party anyway, I was working. But oh my god, lady, you're really thinking about it, huh? What are you doing? Are you going right or are you going... Oh, that's big. That's probably a no-no. Not that I care, though. So I got donuts, I got coffee. My backpack is basically a cop. Come on, Buick. I can't deal with this for the next 7 or 8 miles. I can already tell. I gotta trim some things. I gotta mow the lawn. I gotta polyurethane a floor. We're redoing our floor in our bedroom. So, and it's just so humid, dude. It's not drying. You know, like I did it, the first coat I did probably like 3 or 4 days ago. I think I could have done it yesterday, but I was gone yesterday, all day. So, didn't. Yes, let all of these cars be going by now so that I can go by when I can go by. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Glorious, all of it. What a day. And it's not even 11 yet. Ooh, I gotta go back and have my sandwich. Oops, I just accidentally knocked my horn. I get to go eat my sandwich. But I think we're gonna call this one again. So thank you very much for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. I'd say if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, how come you haven't? You know, what are you waiting for? Bye.